Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan today said that the apparel and textile industry have been a vital pillar of the country's economic growth. The Vice President said this while addressing the Apparel Export Promotion Council Award in New Delhi. Mr. Radhakrishnan highlighted that India is the sixth largest exporter of textile globally, which stands as a testament to the immense contribution of the textile industry in the nation's growth story. Congratulating the awardees, the Vice President commended their dedication, hard work, and relentless pursuit of excellence, which earned them this recognition. Mr. Radhakrishnan also highlighted that the textile industry is the second largest job opportunity provider in the country after agriculture. He also underlined the constraints on the industry that have arisen due to geopolitical situations. The Vice President also urged the industry to adopt eco-friendly manufacturing practices, responsible sourcing, and strategies to minimize waste. The Apparel Export Promotion Council celebrates the extraordinary contribution of Indian apparel exporters in building modern export enterprises and fostering a distinctive export culture anchored in quality, innovation, sustainability, and diversification. Bureau Report News Now.